That was so unnecessary.
Welcome back. Last time you guys watched me take this bug and transform it from an old, crusty, scuffed up piece of junk. You watched me replace the hood, paint the front grille, get the fog lights working, and turn it into something worth driving. We're gonna slap some coilovers on this bad boy, slam it to the ground, and call it a day. My friends over at MAXPEEDINGRODS sent me these to try out. So today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Put them on and see how good they are. Let's get into this. Wheel off, first step.
Hey.
All right, I think we can do this in an hour. You think so?
And before we get too far into this, I want to give a special shout out to my friend Carlos for helping me film. Gracias, hermano.
It's out. All right, it's an 18 millimeter. Oh yeah. Easy. Now I need to get these things off. Little brake sensors and ABS sensors. That'd be great. Right. 13/16. Oh, it's working. Yeah. All right. So this dropped. So now I need to bang this thing out of here. I need to take this sensor off too. You gotta be careful with the Torx, Carlos, because it'll strip. Yeah, and that's not good. You should be wearing a microphone too. Life in the fast lane. You probably should spray some WD-40 on this, because it looks pretty dirty. Oh, it's not working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Our first problem.
It's looking good right now.
Okay, there, we got that out. I have to hit it with a hammer.
Martillo.
Martillo. I don't think we're gonna be able to get low enough. Technically supposed to take this whole thing off. So I went ahead and took the control arm bolts off so it's loose. I took the sway bar bolt out and it dropped down a whole lot more. Yes! Whew. All right. So if you do it this way, just want to be careful because you don't want to put too much strain on your axle. This guy right here.
Where's the axle?
This one. This is what moves the whole wheel. I need to reuse this. Take that off, this whole thing might bring out. I think we do need this.
Oh my goodness, I'm done.
Let's go over here. It's gonna get a little bit dangerous, Carlos. So I have to take this off. Whenever I do it, it's gonna like kinda explode.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Okay.
Wait, I'm actually scared.
Huh.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's working. Ah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I mean, I was a
disappointing explosion ever.
I was a little scared on that. All right, we're just taking this stuff. I don't think we'll need this or this, but we'll need this stuff right here. Just lower this all the way down.
Why do you like doing this?
I think I like the challenge of fixing problems, but also I like how it looks afterwards. I like the reward.
Speaking of problems, it took me quite a bit of time to figure out how to mount these with the existing parts off of the car. And by quite a while, I mean too long. It was back and forth, trial and error. But like I said, I enjoy troubleshooting and finding solutions.
So as you see, the sun is down and my hands are dirty. And we have one in.
Remember that piece I said I didn't need? I ended up needing it. The order that I did to put all this back together was the spring, the blue aluminum piece, then this bearing thing, the rubber stop, and the original nut that I took off of the old spring. After tightening that down, I used this metal piece as a big washer and the nut that came with the coilover to secure it all down together.
Finally move on to the backs. Let's go, Carlos. First step, wheel off.
Team today some See that thing?
Number 16. Where are you? Okay. Got it. It's a clean bolt, Mr. Light. Oof. Sheesh. What the heck? Here's the rears. Actually longer. Interesting. So you could just kick this baby down. Get it out. We'll probably need this. I'm gonna have to look to see which way is up and which way is down. So it's good for me. All right, we're in. Take the egg off. This size, which is hopefully a 16. Yeah. Okay. Should probably get a new one of these, but I don't got one. Okay. Hey, thanks Max Speeding Rods. They focus on performance for sending me this. I've never had anything else. I've never upgraded my car with any other suspension other than Max Speeding Rods. So, and that's actually true. Carlos, we're almost done with this back.
Yo!
I need to go get our friend, Mr. Jack.
Mr. Rodriguez.
Where is it? I should have put the dust cover on. That'd have been a good idea. This whole thing's supposed to go on there.
I hope so.
But it was broken anyway. We're not putting it on.
You need to buy one.
Come on. Is it going?
I don't know, actually.
Just a little tap with Mr. Hammer.
Señor Martillo.
Man, it's hard. This stuff is hard. You think it's easy, but it's not. No dust cover, but I'm okay with that.
I think the subscribers are okay with that too.
Yeah. If you're okay with that, leave a comment. The bolts get easier. So that's it. Kind of. I still have to do the other side. And that's exactly what I did. Once I finished the front driver's side, figured out how to do it, the rest were very simple. I mean, so simple, it took me about 3 hours just to do one side and about 30 minutes to do all the rest. I guess that's what you get when the coilovers instructions are to a different type of coilover. So, there you go. First of all, I just want to say thanks to Max Speeding Rods for sending me these coilovers to try out. And if you click the link in the description, you can get 10% off your purchase at Max Speeding Rods. So if you've got a budget build and you want to slap some coilovers on your car for cheap, please consider using that link to do it. It'll help out the channel and keep me making videos just like this. Shout out to my brother, he let me use his shop. The quality of these coilovers, they feel great, and I can't really compare them to anything else because I've literally only gotten Max Speeding Rods coilovers because all the cars that I've had have been really cheap budget builds. I've had a Mark I Rabbit, I've had a 1990, I think it was a 92 Honda Accord, but the quality feels good. and I've had them for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks driving on them. And of course, when you lower your car, you're gonna feel every bump in the road. That's no exception for these. I will say that it's not so low that it's impossible to drive. Like, I'm still hitting bumps. There's only been a few times where the car has actually made a noise where I got concerned. You know, that's just the risk you take when you lower your car. And so far, so good. I have had to adjust the front because whenever I put them on, I didn't really measure. So a few days after I put them on, to kind of let everything settle, I took a measurement of everything and adjusted accordingly. So the fronts are actually sitting about ½ inch higher than the rears, and that's just because I couldn't lower the rears any lower than they are. I even had to take out the circle adjustment, whatever you call that thing, to just try to get it a little bit lower to match the fronts. And I could raise up the fronts, but I like how the fronts are in ½ inch. I mean, it's not that noticeable, and you know, I'm fine with it. I also put the springs in on the rears. I put them in the wrong direction, so I just flipped them. According to the internet, the thicker side, or where the more coils are supposed to be facing down. And I'm happy with them. I'm glad that I put them on. It feels really good to drive, especially like getting out of the car. It's like, I just love being in a lowered car. They just look good, and you're just cool when you have it. So after doing all those adjustments, the car is great. I love it. I'm happy with it. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to know. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.
Auto what?
Auto bills.
Auto bills. Auto builds and experience. Ready? Hey, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, don't crash, because I might die if we do. Woo! That curve is getting me for real.